Hi friends, today we'll discuss about suspense account and sundry deposits account. What is suspense account? This is a general ledger account used for making payments to the either staff or suppliers for which the final settlement will be done at a later stage. The original entry is squared off when the payment is settled and the amount is debited to the appropriated GL head. The originating entry will always be debit entry. In branches, what happens? Some expenditure is there, but this will not be finalized today. It will not be finalized on current date. It will be finalized on a future date. For example, customer met with the accident and he is going for a operation and we don't know how much will be the final bill. But bank what will do? As an initial payment, bank will give 50,000 rupees to the customer or to the employee when you go for the medical treatment. When we can debit the expenditure? When we receive a final bill. So what I have to do? That 50,000 rupees temporarily I'll debit my suspense account and I'll give it to the employee. Once we'll receive the final bill on a later stage, it may be after 1 month or 2 months, then appropriate general ledger means expenditure will be debited and this suspense entry will be nullified. Always this entry will be debit balance only. So already we discussed suspense account always will be debit balance and it will be shown in asset side. We'll take some example. Suspense entry accounting. Payment of medical advance 50,000 rupees for a staff. So staff is going for a operation. So bank has sanctioned 50,000 rupees as advance. Now what I'll do? On the day of the amount payment from the suspense, I'll debit the suspense account, give it to the customer account. So I'll debit the assets and credit the liabilities. So whenever you are doing accounting entry for a suspense account, always remarks you have to mention employee name, employee code and the purpose and standard code. So when you are reversing, you have to use the same details. So on later stage, staff has gone for the medical treatment. Final bill was 70,000 rupees and the bill was sent to head office. Head office has sanctioned. Now I'm posting the final entry on later stage. So it may be after 1 month or 15 days or it may be 2 months. So now what I'll do? Already I debited 50,000 from my suspense account. I'll give credit to 50,000 to asset suspense account and total sanction was 70,000. So I'll debit the expenses. Staff welfare account debited 70,000, 20,000 to the staff account and 50,000 to the suspense account. But whenever you are posting entries to the suspense account, always enter the employee number, employee name, code and remarks. In case if you are received less, you are given debited suspense account and given 50,000 to the staff, but final bill was sanctioned for 40,000. Now 40,000 will be debited the expenses and 10,000 will be taken from the staff account and 50,000 will be credited to the suspense account. So when you are posting the entry to suspense account, always you enter the employee name, employee ID, remarks, code. So if you receive exact 50,000, in this case directly you debit the expenses and credit the suspense account with 50,000 and already we discussed enter the employee code, employee name, standard code and remarks also. So now we'll discuss about sundry creditors. Sundry creditors, it is quite opposite to suspense account. So we have received some amount and there is no particular details to credit this amount. Then what we'll do? We'll put it in sundry creditors. When we'll get the full details, then we'll reverse the entry. This is quite opposite to suspense account, means it will be in always credit balance and it will be in liability side. So opposite to suspense account, originating entry is a sundry account is always a credit. This GL head is generally used to account for a entry for which no right claim is found. We got some credit, but there is no claim for that amount. So I can't keep it with me. I'll keep it with sundry creditors. Just like suspense, all these entries in this sundry accounts are identified with a unique reference number, employee name, employee ID. While debiting and while crediting, it may be suspense account or it may be sundry creditors. We'll use the unique code so that while while adjusting the original entry, we can use the transaction code, and you can track also. When you want to reconcile, these codes will be useful. So sundry creditors always in credit balance and it will be in liability side. For example, cash collected for in a correct customer account 10,000 rupees, incorrected customer account. So we have collected some cash from incorrect customer account. He has deposited and he has written some account. Because system is down or we are in busy, we have not posted that entry. When a customer left, when you verify, then it is not a correct account. Then what we will do? This amount will be posted to sundry creditors. We'll debit the cash account and we'll credit the sundry creditors GL. So then maybe after some time, or it may be after 15 days or 1 month or 2 months, when customer comes back to the bank and he says, last month I given some 10,000 rupees and it is not credited to my account. Then you can verify the details and then you can debit the sundry creditors. Then you can credit to the customer account because it will go to the correct person account. So always for the suspense or sundry creditors, mention the employee ID, employee name, remarks and unique code. Month end entry should be tallied. See, whatever the amount available in these ledgers should be tallied, means individual entry should be tallied with the consolidated amount. During the year end, outstanding amount in the sundry GL should be transferred to head office account department. We can't keep it in our branch because in year end all the expenses income will be adjusted and will get the profit and or loss on the year end. So all the entries will be nullified. So on the 1st April we'll start with fresh zero balances. So all whatever lying in the sundry creditor, it will be transferred to the head office account. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.